Example problem 23 reads, how many moles are in 1.50 grams of morphine? So we have 1.5 grams of C17, H19, NO3, and we want to know how many moles there are. That is a single step conversion. So grams of C17, H19, NO3 go on bottom to cancel, and moles of C17, H19, NO3 going on top. So in 1 mole, we have to calculate the molecular weight of this massive molecule. So the atoms are carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. The atomic weight of carbon is 12.01 grams. It is element number 6. So as we know, hydrogen is element number 1, and it has a mass of 1.008 grams. Nitrogen is one that we haven't seen before in this course. Nitrogen is element number 7, and it has a mass of 14.01 grams. And oxygen is number 8, and it has a mass of 16 grams. And so there are 17 carbon atoms present. There are 19 hydrogen atoms present. There is 1 nitrogen atom present, and there are 3 oxygen atoms present. So we're going to multiply all of those, starting with carbon. 12.01 times 17 is 204.17 grams. 1.008 times 19 is 19.152 grams. 14.01 times 1 is 14.01, and 16 times 3 is 48 grams. So now we're going to add up row 4. So 204.17 plus 19.152 plus 14.01 plus 48 equals 285.332 grams. And so that number is going to go down here. So we'll round to 285.3. 285.3, since I'm kind of running out of room. So grams of morphine cancels, and we're left in moles. So 1.5 divided by 285.3 is going to be 0.005 moles of C17, H19, NO3. Let me know if you have any questions with example problem 23.